Hello, my dear students. This is Hasina Islam, lecturer, Department of English, Tongi Government College, Gazipur. This lecture is for the students of HSC first year, for the newcomers. I think you are going to start a new journey of your life. Our life is like a journey. So this is a new experience for you. We are very sorry because we are conducting our class, online class. We are not able to be face to face, and that's why I am welcoming you in my online class. Don't be upset. Don't be disappointed. Inshallah, we will be able to overcome this situation. We are passing through a very critical situation, we know. But what is our duty? We have to keep ourselves safe. So, everyone, please be safe and try to join our online classes. And I think if you attend the online classes, these classes will be very helpful for you. You have to manage your time. You have to think that you have to continue your classes, your online classes, because all these classes are helpful for you. Okay, so I think you all have collected your new books, and of course you have to collect your books as early as possible, and you have to take your preparation. Okay, so today I am going to start a new lesson for you, and this lesson is taken from Unit 3, Lesson 1, and it is about two women, the story of two women who made history. Actually, with their ability, with their experience, they made history. So, in this story, we will know how they become skilled, they become famous, okay, all over the world. So, in the first story, we will see a woman who took distance learning. So, she was able to be famous, and she created history. So this is possible. Of course, this is possible. You need to have the faith. You need to make your time. You have to make proper use of your time. Okay. So I am going to start this lesson. That is from Unit 1, Lesson 3. Two women. Okay. First of all, I will read out the passage given here. Then I will discuss how to answer the questions. In English first paper, you have to answer from scene comprehension. That is, comprehension will be given from your textbook, board book. Okay, so of course you have to read out the textbook very carefully, and you have to take your preparation. Scene comprehension will be given there, and from that comprehension you have to answer multiple choice questions. Then some short questions will be given there. You have to answer those questions. A flow chart will be given there. So this all these will be given there, and I will discuss how to answer all these topics. Okay, so I am going to read out the comprehension from your textbook. If you have the textbook, please open the book, Unit 3, Lesson 1. Two women. Okay, so first one is about Valentina Tereshkova, who was a Russian. Okay, so this woman, we are going to know about this woman. Valentina Tereshkova was born in the village Mechlenikovo, Totovsky district in central Russia. Tereshkova's father was a tractor driver, and her mother worked in a textile plant. You have to also mark the unknown words. Okay, you have to know the synonyms, antonyms of the words. Okay, so her mother worked in a textile plant, that is a factory making clothes. Okay, then Tereskova began school in 1945 at the age of 8. So she started going to school at the age of 8. Okay, but left school in 1953. That is, she only after 8 years she left school. And I told you that is with the help of distance learning, this woman could receive her proper education and she became famous. So after 8 years she left school and continued her education through distance learning. So she continued her education through distance learning. She became interested in parachuting from a young age and trained in skydiving at the local aero club. What is skydiving? Do you know? Jumping from an aeroplane. Okay, this is a skill, ability. And she was interested in skydiving and making her first jump, that is, she made her first jump at age 22 on 21st May 1959. That is, when she was only 22, she made her first jump. Okay. At the time, she was employed as a textile worker. So when she made her first jump, she was working in a textile plant. Okay, cloth making factory. She was a worker there in a local factory. It was her expertise, that is her ability, her skill. It was her skill, or it was her ability in skydiving that led her to her selection as a cosmonaut. Okay, so with her skill, with her ability, she could able to get selection as a cosmonaut. Okay, so this is the first para, and from this para you have to underline the unknown words. You have to find out the synonyms because you have to answer MCQ question, multiple choice questions, and there you will get some synonyms. Okay, and you have to understand the comprehension, and that's why you have to read out the comprehension again and again for proper understanding. Okay, so then I am going to the next para. After the flight of Yuri Gagarin, the first human being to travel to outer space in 1961. So what is Yuri Gagarin? The first space that visited the space in traveled to outer space in 1961. Yuri Gagarin, and it was the Soviet Union decided to send a woman in space. So they decided to send a woman. And who was the luckiest woman? Of course, our this woman, that is Valentina Tereskova. She was the first woman who traveled in the space. Okay. So on 16 February 1962, Proletaria Valentina Tereskova was selected for this project from among more than 400 applicants. That is, there were more than 400 applicants, and she was selected with her skill, with her ability. Okay, and what does proletaria mean? It is mean the working class. So she belongs to a working class. Okay. Then Tereskova had to undergo a series of training that included weightless flights, isolation test, centrifuge test, rocket theory, spacecraft engineering, and 120 parachute jumps. That is, she attained 120 parachute jumps, and pilot training in MiG-15 UTI jet fighters. Okay, so she get all this training to go to the space. You know, visiting a space is not so easy. It requires very hard work and hard training, and she get all this training. Okay, so she prepared herself to go to the space. Okay, so up to here you have to read this comprehension again and again. You will try to find out the meaning, and you have to find out the synonyms from here. Okay, so from these two paragraph, that two part, that is from this comprehension, I'm going to give you some questions. That is some MCQ question. Okay, that you have to face in your exam. Okay, so first of all, the first question is, what does the word expertise mean? Okay, what does the word expertise mean? And in my lecture, you will find that I also told you, that is, what is the meaning of this word expertise. Can you remember? Okay, I'm giving you the four options. Okay, so I'm giving you the four options. First of all, proficiency, knowledge, ability, expert opinion. I'm saying it again. Proficiency, knowledge, ability, expert opinion. So, of course, you will listen to my lecture very carefully, and you will very easily you can find out the right answer. Okay, in my lecture, I told you the meaning of expertise. Okay, then another question. Who was Tereskava's when Tereskava made her first jump, she was an employee in a local textile factory, in a sewing factory, in a kindergarten school, in an aerospace company. So, when she made her first jump, she worked as what? You have to select the right answer from these four options. Okay, and again, I'm saying you to listen to my lecture very carefully. You will get the answer. Okay, you will get the answer, and this that's why you have to read the comprehension very carefully. Okay, another question for you. How many applicants were there for the project? So this is a very easy question, and I think you can easily answer these questions. How many applicants were there? Okay, 300, 400, 450, 500. Okay. What does the word what does the word proletariat mean, or it refer to? Okay, again I am saying you will get the answer. You can easily find out the answer if you listen to my lecture very carefully. Okay, so I'm giving you the four options here. The working class people, people with special needs, common people, people who are sick. So you have four options here. First of all, the working class people, people with special needs, common people, people who are sick. Okay, so I think you can answer all these questions very easily, and of course you have to attend all the online classes. Then you will prepare yourself. Okay, and of course you will get help from these classes. Okay, and in my next class I will try to complete this comprehension. Till then, everyone, be safe and thank you.